Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. Okay, today we are going to see problems on points problem. Okay, so as we have discussing the problems on points, okay, so it is one of the different type problem. You can see in this problem they have not given any kind of dimensions. Instead of it, so using the concept we have to solve the problem. Okay, you can see the question here. Draw and state the quadrants in which the following points are located. Assume any distance. That means the distance you can take any of it. Okay, you have to identify which quadrant each of these points are locating, and then you have to write it by assuming any distance. Okay, so you can see front view below xy line and top view above xy line. So it is third quadrant, right? So I'll write here only. It is third quadrant. Similarly, front view and top views are below xy line. So this is fourth quadrant. Okay, front view and top views are above xy line. It is second quadrant. Okay, front view above xy line and top view below the xy line means, so it is your first quadrant. Okay, so it is easy to write. So first I am going to draw one xy line here. Okay, so here they have not mentioned to take exact distance, so conveniently you can take any of the distance. Okay, first I am mentioning this, the point here. Okay, front view below xy line and top view above xy line. So front view below xy line means this, I'm taking convenient distance and I'll put a point. So this is a dash. Similarly, this is a top view above xy line. Okay, this is your third quadrant. In the same way, leaving convenient distance, front and top views are below xy line. So I'll be mentioning here. Okay, both on the same line. I'll mention B dash. Okay. Next, front and top views are above xy line. So above xy line means I'll give one as 30 and another will be on 40. So here C and C dash. Next, fourth line, that is a point number D, front view above xy line, front view. So here I'll mention front view. This is D dash and top view below the xy line. So here it is. So here we have assumed any of the distances. You can assume it. It is given in the question. Okay, so that completes the problem. Okay, you can mention if you want to mention. You can mention here. A is in third quadrant. Okay, and B is in fourth quadrant. Okay, similarly C is in second quadrant and D is in first quadrant. Okay, so that completes the problem. You can subscribe for the channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications and share it to the maximum students so that they can be benefited. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. centrally on a rectangular slab of sides 100 into 60 and thickness 20 mm. So draw the isometric projection of the combination. First I'll be constructing a rectangular slab of 100 into 60 and I'll give thickness of 20. Okay, take a reference line. Okay, give the length 100 and take angle 30 degree. Again give the length 60, angle 150. Okay, again length 100, angle is 210. Then join. So give the height 20 mm, here thickness 20 mm. So give the length 20. Okay, go to copy, creates a copy, select the end point and place it exactly on the corner points. Select the bottom face, go to move command, creates a copy and place it. So rectangular slab is done. Now we have to construct an rectangular pyramid of dimension 40 into 25. So on the 100 mm side I'll be cutting at 30 mm radius by taking 30. Okay, 100 minus 60 means you will get 40. So go to arc by center from the end point. So here we have to give 30. So give the radius 30. From this end also you can type 30. Okay, the other side it is 25. So 60 minus 25 means it is 35. So 35 means 15. So 15 means 7.5 we have to cut on either side. Okay. So this is we are constructing using subtraction of box method. Okay, now we got a rectangle of 40 by 25. So we'll join with the thick line. I will be drawing the two diagonals to find out the center of it. So from the center I will be drawing an axis line for a length of 50 mm. Vertically 50 mm I'll consider. Okay. Okay, so welcome to engineering visualization. Today we see a funnel problem. So here in the question, funnel is made up of sheet metal. The funnel tapers from 60 to 30 mm diameter to a height of 25 mm and then forms to a cylinder with a height of 50 mm. Bottom of the funnel is beveled off completely at an angle of 45 degree to axis. Beveled off means we need to cut it with an angle of 45 degree from one of its corner. So draw the development of the funnel. Okay. So step by step we are going to do. First we are going to construct the top part of it, that is funnel made up of top diameter 60 and the bottom one 30. So tapered section I'm going to do it first. Okay, so mark a length of 60 mm using scale. Okay, now vertically downward the height we should consider, that will be 25 mm. Okay, from the center of the line I'll be drawing vertically straight line downward at a length of 25 mm, that is 2.5 centimeter from the scale. Okay, now from this midpoint, so the bottom part we required that should be 30 mm. So this is exactly 60. From the center we have drawn a line. Okay, from this center we will be drawing 30, means here from the center I will be considering 15 15 on both sides. Okay. Okay, now we join it. So this is the tapered section of the funnel. Now you can show the dimensions. So the top part having 60 mm diameter. Okay guys, this is my 700 video. So I'm very much thankful for my viewers for their continuous support. Okay, so after showing dimensions, so the height also I'll show. The height is 25 mm. Now the lower part, it is a cylinder. Okay, cylinder with a height of 50 mm. So funnel it is done. Cylinder of height 50 mm. Okay. Can show the dimension for it. It is 50 mm length. Now we need to cut this lower part of the cylinder at an angle of 45 degree. You can see the question. So bottom of the funnel is beveled off completely at an angle of 45 degree to axis. Okay, that is from one end. So we need to draw an angle line, and that should be at an angle of 45 degree. So take the protractor. Okay, mark to the one of its corner end. Yes, we should be marking one of corner end. So mark an angle of 45 degree. Okay, now draw a section line, cutting it to show it section line. I'll be using different sketch pen. Line dot line. Okay, so it is exactly cutting at an angle of 45 degree. Okay, now we need to construct the top view of this cylinder. Okay, in order to show the cutting, it will become very easy. Okay, so the upper part of the funnel, right? So when we construct it will not possible, so we will extend it to make it look like an cone. Okay, so construction of the cone, we know using the formula small r by capital R into 360 degree. We can do that. So just I'll extending that. Okay, tapered part, so it will be easy for us when we do the development of it. Okay, so I can measure this dimension, how much it is. So it is around 60 or 62 mm. How much you are getting it, you need to draw for the same length. So in order to understand this problem completely, guys, you need to watch it till the end. Okay, so you can understand all the steps. So now we will be constructing the top view of the cylinder. Okay, because in this problem the cylinder has been beveled means cutted, so that means we will be constructing only the top view of the cylinder. Okay, so here the cylinder having a diameter of 30, so I'll be taking compass. The radius will be 15 mm. 15 mm means 1.5 centimeter from the scale we need to measure. Okay, draw a circle. So we need to project that axis downward and then we should consider the center. Here I am taking directly the center point of it. So you need to project downward that axis and then take the center point and draw a circle. Okay, so after drawing the circle, so show the dimension. So here we will be cutting this dividing this circle into 8 equal parts. Okay, diameter 30. So in order to divide into 8 equal parts, we will be using an angle of 45 degree. So using the protractor, we can do it. Okay. So mark angle 45 degree, 90 and 135. Okay. I think the points you are not able to see it properly. So I'll be using the sketch pen so that you can get the exact points. 45 degree here, guys. 45 degree, 90, 135 and 180. After marking it, you can extend, right? Using the scale we can extend from the center point, merging it and draw the line. Okay, now it is divided, so you can give the naming for these cut parts: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, now we'll just project it upward so that we can write the top and front view notations. Okay, here I'll differentiate this top and front view, okay, with XY line, so that we can able to clearly understand it. So top and front view in this problem, guys, we are starting from the front view and then finishing up the top view. Okay, the problem is like that only. Usually we start from the top view, but in this problem we started from the front view. So draw the projection lines. Now write the namings. So here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash visible. H dash, G dash and F dash are not visible. Those are written within brackets. Okay, now we need to write the cut points. Okay, so here, so cutting exactly line 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see wherever the section plane is cutting, right? So we are writing again here 6 it is, this is 7 and this is 8. Okay, so part by part we are going to do the development of it. Now we have done the cutting also. Okay, step by step we are going to follow it. Okay, this is the funnel and this lower part is the cylinder. So step by step we are going to do it, guys. So watch it till the end, you can understand all the steps. Okay, this is one of the, you can say, the application problem. The first we are doing it is cylinder. Okay, the cut portion cylinder. So here for the cylinder we have the formula pi d. Okay, pi into diameter. Diameter here it is 30. Okay, diameter of the cylinder is 30. So the length what we get, that is 94.24. So this cylinder will be done using parallel method. So I'll be using here two parallel lines here, x from this end and also from this end. Okay, so I'll be considering one vertical line. So the total length we should be considering, that is 94.24. So mark 9.4 here. 9.4. Okay, now we need to divide this 94.24 into 8 equal parts. Okay, the thing can be done by using measuring the compass. You can measure the length from this top weave circle. Okay, measure this length and cut the arc. So it will be equally divided. Okay, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and A again. Okay, use the scale properly, guys. You need to draw straight vertical lines. Okay. Okay, now the marking the cut points on this development, it is easy. Just draw horizontal lines from those cutted points. From one, just place the scale like this and just draw horizontal line. Okay, from the point 2 also you do the same thing, and from 3 also the same thing. So this cylinder and prism will be constructed in the same manner, guys, because all the cut points are occurring at these vertical edges. So no need to measure, just draw the projection lines and then now you mark. This is the point number 1 here, and even here on the vertical edge of AA, now it is 2. Okay, 2 on the vertical edge B and 8 on the vertical edge H. Same way 3 on C and 7 on G, and then 4 on D and 6 on F, and then 5. Okay, now we need to connect it using the curved line because this is a cylinder. Okay, with the help of color sketch, will be, this is what we need to connect. So using the curve you need to join. Okay, don't use the scale here. Okay, okay, so guys, this completes the cylinder. So I'll be showing the dimension. So this is the development part. Okay, development of this beveled cylinder, that is a cutted portion of the cylinder. Now we need to construct the funnel. Okay, funnel, we will be constructing a funnel using this cone method. So for this we have the formula. Okay, funnel, it is resembling the cone. We have the formula small r by capital R into 360 degree to find out the angle of inclination here. Okay, first I'll be finding this slanted length. So slanted length, it is 62, and that upper part, okay, upper part which is visible to us, that will be around 22 mm. I think 29 mm it is, sorry. Okay, so capital R, it is 62, that is slanted length, and diameter D is 60 mm. So that means R means radius will be 30. Okay, because we need to use this formula in the construction of the funnel, that is small r by capital R into 360. So capital R is your slanted length, small r is your radius length. Okay, substituting the values. So and then the angle we need to calculate using the calculator. Here the angle we are getting, it is 174 degree. Okay, so capital R we know it is slanted length. So I'll be drawing one horizontal line for a length of using compass, or you can draw a straight line also. So take 62 mm and draw an arc here, curve here. Okay, some semicircle type we need to draw, because here the angle it is 174 degree, right? So I can join this. This is having an angle length of 62 mm. You can mark. Okay, so that is your slant edge length. Capital R. Okay, so the angle we need to mark here, it is 174 degree. Okay, that is our angle. Guys, subscribe to my channel and hit on the like button, and for notifications related to engineering drawing you can click on the bell icon. You'll get all the notifications related to the Vtu engineering graphics, or you can say the computer aided engineering drawing. Okay, now complete the arc. Okay, now here the length we should be drawing, that is the visible part of that funnel, that is 29 mm we need to mark. Okay, guys, this is my 700th video, so thank you for your support, so that I can grow my channel. I wish my channel may reach 1 lakh subscriber by another 2 or in within 2 to 3 years. I hope so. Can cut the length, that is 29 mm. Okay, so okay, this length we should be darkening it. So I'll be using different color chalk here, sketch pen, so that you can make out the difference. Okay, is the upper part of the funnel, right? That's why we need to show the lower part here in this development. Okay, guys, when you're going through my channel, if you're finding any difficulty in understanding, you can ask me your queries, doubts through comments, or you can mail me. I've given my email ID in the YouTube channel and my WhatsApp number also. So any doubts related to any of the videos, you can WhatsApp me or you can email me so that I can help you. Okay, share these videos to your classmates and friends so that they can be benefited. So guys, thank you all. Thank you for watching my video. So this is the development of the upper part of the funnel. Okay. So now you can see in this video both the things are done. So lower part of the cylinder also done and upper part of the funnel also done. Thank you guys. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video.